playing this one.
Bro, we haven't played this game in so long.
I know.
Why haven't we played it?
I think you guys just got butthurt that I kept winning.
Bro, we only won like 3 times.
It was more than 3 times.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Guys, what is that?
It's probably in there from last time.
Who put it in there?
Not me.
Me. Dude,
Whoa.
Well, whoever wins gets to keep it.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
Alright.
Nice.
Guess who won, boys?
Dang it.
Guess who gets to keep the flash drive?
Get the flash drive.
Alright. I gotta go.
Now he leaves.
I gotta go too.
Oh, now we're all.
See you. Alright, see you, bro.
Go walk home.
Thanks, bro. Bro, where's Will?
I don't know, but I mean, he would have told us he was coming, right?
I don't know. I'm gonna go look for him. You coming?
Yeah, sure, let's go.
I'm freaking out a little bit, guys.
I think we all are.
Did anything weird happen last night?
No, we just played the game and left.
Wait, the flash drive.
No, it can't be the flash drive.
No, think about it. The lights flickered and then he ran off with the flash drive.
I mean, I guess, but I don't know though.
I don't know. I'm just a little scared.
Whoa, whoa, did you guys hear that?
Wait, that's not Will. So I'm Mike, that's Lucas, and that's Dustin. What's your name?
11.
That's interesting.
So, are you lost?
Did you run away? Or where are you from?
Bad place.
Maybe she can help us.
You want to help us find our friend Will?
Yo, what is she doing?
What?
That's Will's jacket.
Yeah, it's
Do you know where he is?
Upside down.
Can you take us there?
Go.
Whoa.
Cool, where are we?
You're telling us Will's here?
Can you take us there?
Come.
Guys, I don't have a good feeling about this place.
Yeah, me neither.
Wait, you're telling me Will's in there?
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Will?
Will.
William.
Will?
Will?
Will, where are you?
Will.
William.
Will.
Where are you?
Will.
Will.
Bro. Yo, dude.
Oh, it's Will.
That's Will.
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 Will. Oh my god.
Bro, are you good?
What happened?
Yo, is that the flash?
Look inside.
You guys ready for this?
Yeah.